Watch me, Bert. You underestimate my power.
No.
Both figuratively and literally.
Is that plugged into the
I'll
wall?
eat that when you're done with it. Like you said.
I said inward. It said
Okay.
triple motion. I said
It would be
inward.
so much more fun if this was in Europe.
So this falls under the category of don't try this at home. Okay? So all I did was take the power cord off of an old appliance
That's what we can't do.
and put a couple of forks, and we'll put one in each end. Okay?
Why would you say that?
Now, if you try this, which I don't highly recommend because the hot dog becomes not inedible.
Wait, why?
Make sure it's not plugged in, okay, before you go to connect things.
Have you made this mistake in the past?
Never. If I was, I did it, I wouldn't be here. So for decoration, we'll throw in, I'm not sure which of these LED
Wait, why
lights
can't we eat
still
the hot
work.
dog after?
Watch. Watch and you'll learn. I bet you can. You make
And I've lost track which of my LED lights are still working, so,
LED lights and all, you gotta eat it all.
okay.
Yeah, it's a back and forth.
So, all right, so somebody turn out the lights.
Turn out the lights. Turn it off.
Oh, they're not.
This would be
They're
so
not.
much
They're
more
not
fun
clapper
in
lights.
We're not that clapping.
What is this school?
with the
Okay.
200.
Not at Bay South.
Actually, Alex, leave the front lights on in the front.
This would be so much more fun in Europe.
There we go.
200 watts.
Okay, so we'll plug this in.
Are you making dinner tonight?
Hey, the blue
Yeah, I
one
see
still
the
works.
blue.
I'm gonna make dinner.
I
think a brown.
This is how we get food
Okay.
now.
So,
I really hope we.
basically, the hot dog is acting as a resistor. So, what's going to happen over a period of time, because of the fact that we're trying to force this is AC current, but it's the same idea. So we're trying to force this through an object that doesn't want that electricity to flow through. So as we do that, what's going to happen to the temperature inside the hot dog? Yeah, it's going to begin to increase. So this is a very, very crude way of cooking a hot dog. So if you listen, you can hear if you listen very carefully, you can hear it begin to sizzle. So the hot dog has a lot of water in it, and so if you consider, and when you do this problem on today's assignment, I'll give you the specific heat of a hot dog. And so, no. So, somebody got really bored and measured the specific heat of a hot dog. And so you'll notice that even if you look here, like on the side, that's starting to like bulge out because of the fact that basically what you're doing is that you're creating, and you can hear it really sizzle now. Okay? And so you're creating so much energy that you're making that water boil. And so this is a situation where the electricity itself doesn't want to flow, but basically we're cramming it through so that it does. And in that process, you're going to generate a lot of heat. Now, obviously, if you're out in the woods,
It's still
Fix it. I was gonna burn through the casing.
I'm pretty sure that.
it just
We are really
popped.
pushing.
The hot dog popped.
oh, we kind of had a flimmer on that.
Question.
We got it going again.
Please tell me you can eat a hot dog.
No, trust me, it's not.
He's had it, but why?
No, yeah, it's not good.
Why is it not good?
Does it
change the
flavor?
Yeah, it's just not good.
How is this real?
Okay, yeah, pretty much. So
No,
now
the
for
electrons are taken out of
and
Dinner is served.
well, no, dinner is not. So yeah, and
can
again,
smell it, you
before
can
you
smell it.
disconnect it, make sure that you unplug it.
Hot dog.
And so, if you look at like the ends of it, that it's like corroded and black inside.
Oh, that's probably
Yeah.
not good for it.
No, that's what I'm saying. And I don't know what other ions got transmitted
That's what-
across that. So yeah, it's
That's why you don't like eat batteries.
so it's just like black and gross. And so anyway, So yeah, if you get into it, this is literally, I did this as a demo because this is one of the calculations we're gonna need to do today on the assignment, is how much energy or how long it takes to cook a hot dog knowing the specific heat. So I just wanted you to have that visual. So, okay, back with you.